So my craft of choice is bookbinding. When coming up with the first project, I thought it'd be really cool to do a book series that would tie all four projects together. So when creating book series, there's a challenge in making the books feel similar enough in design that you recognize that it's part of a whole, but also make it where each book stands out on its own. So usually the series have the same major elements in place with the same fonts, but the individual books will change like their color scheme and what is inside the main element. So the trick was then figuring out what am I going to make the series about? While reading up on the literature of the Psyche spacecraft, I discovered that there would be four orbits, and each orbit would focus on a different science mission. And so this would be perfect for a book series. To start off, I wanted to focus on the book itself to be like the asteroid, and we would be the viewer that was on the spacecraft in orbit doing the science. So the backgrounds of the books are very literal. It's a black cover with stars on it, and then the main element on the cover would be the Psyche asteroid itself. To bring about some more colors to the book, I added LEDs to the covers on the front, and then on the blurb, there'd be a colorful blurb on the back, and it would talk about the science being conducted for that orbit. I wanted the blurb to be written in a way where people who were sixth grade and above could understand what was being said. So it's not just astronomy majors who could understand it. The next trick was just making each book stand out on its own. So for the Psyche mission Orbit A notebook, the science focuses on the electromagnetic field to see if there actually is one. And so what I was picturing first is in elementary school, you'd see like the magnetic field around the Earth, right? And it would always have like lights going from north to south in like videos and stuff. So I decided to mimic those lines on around Psyche. So, what I did is I just put Psyche right in the middle, and then I made LED lights that would be the electromagnetic field going around it. And there was actually like a fun little animation where the magnetic field lines would travel from north to south.